Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on the chapter decimals and we are discussing the questions related to the Comet and RS Agrawal part. So question number 1 begins from the product part. That says you have to find the multiplication of the decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. So you have to multiply with 10, you have to multiply with 100, you have to multiply with 1000 and you have to solve the answers for those. So let us first write down the question for this. First is 17.54 multiplied by 10. Second one is 32.72 multiplied by 100. And third one is 145.8 multiplied by 1000. Now question number D is 49.752 multiplied by 10. Question number E is 74.5 multiplied by 100. And the last one F is 0.003 multiplied by 1000. So we have total these questions to solve. Let's understand what is the process of multiplication of 10, 100 and 1000. Remember, if you all remembering, हम लोगों ने division by 10, 100, 1000 किया था, ठीक है? In the previous class, we have discussed how to divide by 10, how to divide by 100 and how to divide by 1000, which was quite easy. How it was easy? We were only adjusting their decimals, okay? We were only adjusting their decimals part. So in the same way, हम यहाँ पर भी क्या करेंगे? We will only adjust their decimal part. How? Look at here. जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10 का, 100 का, 1000 का या मे बी 10,000 का, तो you always remember you will only shift the decimal. ठीक है? If you are multiplying by this, you will be shifting the decimal to the right hand side. And if you will be dividing by 10, 100, 1000, you will be shifting the decimal to the left hand side. ठीक है? So let's understand how. Suppose you are right now multiplying by 10. इसका मतलब ये हुआ you have only one zero along with 1. So you will be shifting your decimal to the right hand side to only one place. It means right now अभी कहाँ पर है? 17.54 है. तो ये वाला decimal बेटा जब right side one more step it will shift. Your answer would go as 175.4. Okay, it means it will shift to the right hand side for one place only. ठीक है? So याद रखिएगा जब हम multiplication of 10 करते हैं या multiplication of 100 will do, so we will only shift the decimal to the right hand side, and how many zeros will be there along with 1, that many places the decimal will shift. Okay, let's understand this one. So question number B is you multiply by 100. 100 means you have two zeros. So your decimal will shift two places to the right hand side. But right now you can see कि अगर हम दो places shift करेंगे decimal को, तो you will have decimal at the last only. ठीक है? तो you can have number like this 3272 point, and point के बाद there is no number only. So you can simply write it down 3272 only without writing the decimal also. Okay, this is question number 2. So now question number 3. Question number 3, you can see we have three zeros here. So 3 zeros means your decimal will shift to the 3 places. But we don't have 3 places. We only have 1 place after decimal. So for this, what we will do, we will only place 2 more zero along with this to make it balance. So 1, 4, 5, 8. एक decimal shift हो गया, but we need 2 more places. So we will simply have 2 more places like 2 more zeros. ठीक है? How many places will be left for the decimal shifting? We will include 0 for it. Okay? So your answer would be this. Now move on to this one. We have 1 0 only. So we will be shifting it to the right hand side. So your answer would go as 497.52. Question number E, 74.5. Now you have to shift 2 places because you have 1 along with 2 0, but you don't have more places. So you will be including 0 here. So we have only 1 place less. So we will include 1 more 0 for it. Now move on to the last question, question number F, which is 0.003 multiplication by 1000. 1000 means 1 along with 30. 1 along with 30 means you have to shift 3 places. So this decimal will go directly after 3. So after 3 means your answer would be only 3 because 3 के पहले 0 लगे होने का कोई मतलब नहीं है बेटा. So there is only 3 will be the answer for this question. So question number 1A is finished now. Let us understand division of these numbers. Now we are understanding division part. Question number B. Question number B, we have first question as 5.76 divided by 10. Question number B, 0.769 divided by 100. Question number C, 476.35 divided by 1000. Question number D, 0.347 divided by 10. Question number E, 95.87 divided by 100. And the last one is 38.9 divided by 1000. Let's understand one by one. You must be remembering beta we have done the division part in the beginning also. ठीक है, so इसको अगर आप इस तरीके के डिवीजन में लिखो तब भी वही प्रोसेस है, या अगर आप लिखते हो 17/100 तो इसका मतलब भी हुआ 17 divided by 100. ठीक है, so if you have a fraction sign, that denominator sign, that also represent division only. So whether you write it down in this form or you write it down in this form, both are similar. So let me explain it to you. As I have told you just now in the previous question, कि जब हमारे पास multiplication of 10, multiplication of 100, multiplication of 1000 होता है, so you just shift the decimal to the right hand side. But वही decimal, वही same काम अगर आपके पास division में होता है, so you will simply shift your decimal to the left hand side. Okay. And for this, how many places you will shift the decimal? You just need to take care of the number of zeros which is there along with 1. For example, in question number 1, you have only 1 0 along with 1, and you have this division sign. It means decimal to shift होगा बेटा, हाँ, लेकिन decimal कितनी places shift होगा? Only 1 place shift होगा. और कहाँ shift होगा? To the left hand side. पहले हमने राइट हैंड साइड किया था, इस बार लेफ्ट हैंड साइड करेंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन की जगह क्या आ गया? डिवीजन. So you will be shifting the decimal. So this is right now here 5.76. Now this decimal will come in front of 5. So your number would be 0.576, or you can simply have 5.576. Okay, 0.576 or 0.576, both are same. Question number B, you have already 0.769 and you have division of 100. It means your decimal should be shifted to 2 places more. ठीक है, so 2 places more, but हमारे पास तो numbers ही नहीं है, digits ही नहीं है हमारे पास. So what we'll do, we can simply include zeros for it. So your answer would be 0. Yeah, you can simply have 0.00769. ठीक है, 2 more places for it. So your answer would be 0.00769, या आपको लिखना है 0.00769, that is also fine. ठीक है. Now move on to question number 6. You have to shift 3 places because you are right now you have 1000. 1000 means 30 along with 1. So your answer would be this time 0.47635. Okay, simple. Now question number D, it would be now 0.0347. Question number E will be now 2 places it will shift, so 0.9587. Question number F, 3 places, but you have only 2 places here, so you include 1 more 0. So 0389, 0.0389. So you have these answers for question number D now. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस one is completed now. Question number 2 says that you have to represent 47 by 10 in number line. You can call it, first आपको convert करना है in the form of decimal and then you have to show on number line. So let us first do this question. How we will do that? Our number is 47 by 10. Question number 2. 47 by 10. So 47 by 10 means if you write it down in the form of decimal, you are agree that you will be getting 4.7. ठीक है, और आपको जब मिलेगा 4.7 तो you have to only represent a number line. You are knowing 4.7 will lie between 4 and 5. So this is 4 whole number and this is 5 whole number. Let's have 10 parts in between. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and you can bring 5 more closer here because you have more space here. Okay, so this would be your answer. 4.7 you have located right now. You can simply make an arrow. This is 47 by 10 or this is 4.7 as well. Okay, so question number 2 you have to just simply locate on number line, which is very easy to do. Now question number 3 beta. Question number 3 says that you have to subtract the sum of two numbers which is given as 1576.35 and 2569.30 from the sum of 3980.75 and 2005. It means यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो है हमारा वो दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. ठीक है, you have to subtract the sum of two numbers and you have to subtract from the numbers again which is already given in the form of sum only. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर हम तीन पैटर्न यूज करेंगे. three pattern means you will use 3 steps. 2 times you will take out sum and at the last you will take out the subtraction part. So let us have first addition of both the numbers. So here it would be 1576.35 and another number we have as 2569.80. This is first addition number. Second one is telling here 3980.75 and another is 2005. No number after decimal, so I am putting as 0. So these two sums we will first take it out and after that we will have the subtraction part. So let's do this. 50 it will give you 5, 8, 3, 11, carry I 1, 9, 1, 10, 10, 6, 16, carry I 1, 6 and 1, 7, 7, 7, 14, carry I 1, 5, 5, 10, 10, 1, 11, carry I 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4. 4146.15. This is the addition part. Now let's solve this part. 5 would be 5, 7 would be 7, 5 would be 5, 8 would be 8, 9 would be 9 and this is 5. So 5985.75 and in question it is given that you have to subtract this from this. ठीक है, first you need to add, so हम लोगों ने add कर लिया. Now you have to subtract and क्या subtract करना, this from this. So first we will note it down this 5985.75 subtracting. Now what you need to subtract, 4146.15. So now simply take this, 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 1 6, 5 minus 6 9, that is 15. 15 minus 6 9. Now this is 7, 7 minus 4 3, 9 minus 1 8, 5 minus 4 1. So the answer would be 1839.60. This will be the answer for this particular question. Question number 4 says that find the product of place values of 5, in 3567.125. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, देयर इज अ नंबर गिवन, ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन एक दिया हुआ है जिसमें हमारे पास नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है, and you have number, you have to find out the place values of 5 into it. Okay, so this question has little bit of complex part, not much more but little bit. So our question is 3567.125. Okay, now it is telling here that you have to find out the product of place values of 5. Place values of 5 means you can see we have this one 5 and you have this one 5. So this is first 5, you can call it, this is second 5, you can say. So दोनों का पहले place value निकालते हैं. Place value of this one would be, you are knowing this is 5, 1, 2, 3, 10, hundredth and thousand. So the place value for this one is 5 by 1000. Fine. And for this one, if you talk about, you have the place value as this is whole number part and you have this place as 500. Okay, this is 500 now. So it means you have this number place value as 500 and you have this place value as 1000. So how can you solve this? Product means multiplication. ठीक है, तो multiplication में क्या करते हैं बेटा हम? Top से you multiply top, bottom से you multiply bottom. So 5 you will multiply this one, give you here 2500, and 1 with 1000 you will get it 1000 only. So your answer would be 2500 upon 1000. So if you can see here, we can cancel, we can make it simplest form. And how can we make it simplest form? You can cancel by 100. So जब आप 100 की टेबल से कट करोगे तो यहाँ मिलेगा 25 because 2 zeros will cut and this will give you 10. So 25 by 10 will come, and 25 by 10 in the form of decimal it will give you 2.5. Okay, because you can write it down in the form of decimal as well. और अगर आपको फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है then also you can write down the answer as 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 by 2. ठीक है, so you can simply have two answers for this question. You can simply write down 2.5 as well, और अगर आप चाहें तो 5 by 2 भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, so this question is completed now. Now choose the correct options. Choose the correct option is given in question number next one, which we have multiple choice question. Multiple choice question, we have been given two questions. First question is 3 centimeter can be written in the form of decimal. Now you are knowing it is telling 3 centimeter. Centimeter means you are knowing we talk about divide by 100 for converting into meter. ठीक है, converting into meter we will simply convert as 3 by 100 because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. So you will simply divide by 100 and your answer would be 0.03 in meters. So just check your options. The correct option would be 0.03 in meter. Now question number 2, it is asking that you have to tell 100th is written as. 100th means होता है बेटा 1 by 100. ठीक है, 1 by 100 you can simply say that, or 100th means there is no place of any whole number, there is no place of any tenth. You can simply have the place of 100th. So you can simply have answer is 0.01. Fine. So 0.01 would be the correct answer for this. Now question number 5 is also over now. Now we are reaching on homework part. In homework part, question number 1 is given in this format, which is written on the board. So if you will see this question, you have a bigger number that is 213.4, and rest all the numbers you have to subtract from it, like 213.4 minus 56.84 minus 11.87 minus 16.07. It means from this number you have to subtract one by one these numbers. So if you have to do this question, you need to subtract 3 times this one. ठीक है. So it means it will be little difficult for us for doing subtraction many times. So we can simply do that. We can add all these three. ठीक है. How we can add this? 56.84 plus 11.87 and 16.087. कन्वर्टिंग इनटू लाइक डेसिमल. हम अगर चाहें तो इन तीनों को ऐड करके लास्ट में वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 213.4. ठीक है. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज इन माइनस, दिस इज इन माइनस, दिस इज इन माइनस. वी हैव डन इंटीजर चैप्टर. सारे के सारे माइनस में हैं तो तीनों वी कैन ऐड एंड एट द लास्ट वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट. So let us add this. It will give you 7. This will give you 7, 8, 15, 15, 4, 19. Carry 1, 8, 8, 16, 16, 1, 17. Carry I 1. 6, 6, 12, 12 and 2, 14. Carry I 1. 5, 1, 6, 6, 1, 7, 7, 1, 8. 84.797 would be the additional part. Now you have to also subtract from 213.4. So you can simply subtract like 213.4. Here we have three places, 1, 2, 3. So you can simply make into like and subtract 84.797 from it. Okay. Let's subtract and see the answer. This would be 10. This would be 9. And this would be 3. So this would be 13. This would be 2. This would be 2. So it would be now 12. And this would be 0. Okay. And this would be 0. So this would be 1. Now just simply subtract it. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. 13 minus 7, you will subtract it, 6. Now 12 minus 4, 8. And 0 minus, you will be having this one, 10, 10 minus 8, it would be 2. And this would be 1. So 128.603 would be your answer for solution part. Okay. This is simply addition and subtraction, but you have to use little bit of mind for it. ठीक है. या तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को दो पैटर्न में कर सकते हो. एक तो ये पैटर्न हो गया. Second pattern can be you take this number, subtract this. Now whatever the answer comes, again subtract this. Then again whatever the answer comes, subtract this. So इस क्वेश्चन को आप दो पार्ट्स में कर सकते हो. You can have this pattern as well, which is written on the board. You can also do the second part of it. Now let's understand question number 2, that is write as decimal. Write as decimal. Okay. So I'm rubbing this one. Question number 2. Now decimal you have to convert and the numbers are given as 40 plus 6 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 100. Second question is 30 plus 4 plus 2 by 100. And C1 is 4052 gram. You have to convert as kilogram. So let's begin from question number 1 of 2, that is 40 and 6. This is expanded form. If you must be remembering, we have done this. 40 and 6, you will have 46. Then these all numbers comes in decimal part. So you have all the places. 10th wali bhi hai, 100th place bhi hai. It means your answer would be 46.79. Second is 30 plus 4, which will give you 34. In decimal, you have no place of 10th. You only have the place of 100th. So 10th place will be now 0. 100th place would be 2. So your answer would be 34.02. Question number C, which is given in the form of gram and you have to convert in kilogram. So you will simply have the answer as, because you know that in kg and gram we have 3 places difference. it means you will simply divide by 1000. ठीक है, so your answer would be 4.052 in kg. So this is question number 2 completed. Now question number 3 is telling here how much 73.754, 73.754, you have this number and it is asking हम इसको कितना increase करें. ठीक है, कि आपको जो नंबर मिले आंसर वो आना चाहिए 100. ठीक है, how much we increase so that we can get 100 as an answer. So for this beta you can simply subtract to get the answer. Because अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं 15 में हम क्या ऐड करें, क्या इंक्रीज करें कि आंसर 20 आ जाए, तो आप सिंपली यू विल से दैट मैम 5 यू विल बी एडिंग. सो इसके लिए हम एक और काम कर सकते हैं, या तो हम सोच करके आंसर लिख दें, बट इतना बड़ा नंबर है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेसिमल विच विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू डू दैट. So you can simply have the subtraction part of it. You can see 20 में से if you will subtract 15, you will simply have 5. ठीक है, so आप चाहो तो इसको डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन करके भी कर सकते हैं. तो कैसे सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, पहले you will convert in the form of like decimal. So it would be 100.00. ठीक है, now what we need to subtract? We need to subtract 73.754. So now just start subtracting. Now this you will give it borrow as, so it will be giving you 10, this will be giving you 9, this will be giving you 9, this will be giving you 9 and 9. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 7, 2, 26.246, 26.246 would be the answer for this question. Okay, 26.246. Now move on to the last question of homework part, which is given in the form of decimal and you have to convert in the form of fraction in simplest. So question number 4 is 0.05. Okay, and you have to convert in the form of lowest term. So 0.05 को जब हम form of fraction convert करेंगे, it will give you 5 by 100, and 5 by 100 you will be cancelling as 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 ka 0, 1 by 20. Okay, 1 by 20. So students, we have completed today classwork portion and homework portion of this decimal chapter Comet. I will be making the second part for understanding more challenging questions of Comet. Okay, thank you very much everyone.